Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to do Gothic calligraphy. So for doing Gothic calligraphy, some things are important. For example, this thick vertical line, this thin vertical line, this thick horizontal line, and these two thin lines. So first of all, we will move ahead towards A, and first of all write thick line, and after that draw a thin line here, and again we use thick line and thin line. Similarly, we will use the same pattern. We will add some thick and thin lines in writing B also. C also written in the same way as we have written B, A, etc. Now we will move ahead towards D. And for writing D, first of all, we have used thick and then thin lines. These are the alphabets of Gothic calligraphy, which is most popular in English calligraphy. These type of alphabets look more beautiful and perfect when we write them. This calligraphy is liked in different countries, just like America, China, etc. And now here I am using a single marker which has both thick and thin parts. And after I, it's turn to write J, and for writing J we will use same pattern, and similarly for writing K we will again use same pattern for this calligraphy. Now we are moving ahead and write L in this way, and after that now it's turn to write M in Gothic calligraphy. After writing M in Gothic calligraphy, the next turn is of N. And here our M is completed, and it's turn to write N. Our M and N in the Gothic calligraphy are more unique and different. In this type of calligraphy, I have already told you we use thick and thin parts of our marker. The starting part of our each word is thick, and after that we will use thin part of our marker. Now it's turn to write S. It's also so unique and different. Also we are writing here T. Now we are writing U, and after that we are writing here V. V is so different and beautiful. By using the same pattern, now we are writing W. Now it's turn to write X. Now we are writing Y. Y is also so different from other, and it's Z. Here is the final look of our calligraphy. Thanks for watching video. Allah Hafiz.